In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a game pass in Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Roblox. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Now head over to the option Create. Now click on the option Creations. Then choose one of your existing experience. If you don't have any, don't worry. Every account has a default place you can use. Now scroll down on the left panel until you find monetization section. Under this, you're gonna find the option of passes. Now click on the option Create Pass. You can either upload a custom image for your game pass or keep the default icon if you want. Next, give your game pass a name and you can also add a description if needed. Once everything is ready, click on Create Pass to generate your game pass. After you create it, if you want to sell your game pass, all you have to do is click on the game pass you created, navigate to the option Sales, toggle on for the option Item for sale, type in the amount. Once you set the price, click on Save Changes to confirm everything. And that's it. You have successfully created and listed a game pass in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.